What is happening with Bitcoin? There are crazy things unfolding on the chart that we definitely have to talk about. That could Bitcoin take lower than what we are thinking right now? So, and I'm gonna show you in the charts exactly what I have found. So definitely stick around until the end and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And let's dive directly into the charts here. So here on the daily chart, nothing has changed as of yesterday. So we have still broken down all of that rising wedge here, and are consolidating now here between 16,500 all the way up to $16,800, going here sideways while the stochastic RSI is hitting oversold conditions. So, but it doesn't mean that we directly will see a reversal back to the upside. When we go here, however, to the 4-hourly chart, so there we get a much clearer picture what's going on here right now. So we are sitting right now under this a big resistance area, which was former support. So we can see that here, also here, and then also here. And here it flipped again into resistance. So, and since then, this is resistance. So here multiple times, basically here in that section, we have multiple times to break back into this former support area, which is now resistance, and could not manage to do so. The next support level, however, under this major resistance lies around $16,450. So we came close to it to touch it here, but we did not really touch it. I think a touch is imminent and has to come here. And like I said yesterday, I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to stop there. I believe that Bitcoin will break lower and will head here under $16,000 in the immediate short term. So that is also the reason why I have right now a short position open here on BYBIT, guys. I have to log in here to show it to you, but I have a position open. I think I opened it at $16,700, so it's now plus minus zero. That's why I have this short position opened. I think I posted it in my free Telegram channel. Go and check it out. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. There you're gonna find it. So, and if you still want to get into this trade, don't forget you can sign up on BYBIT, still get $30,000 in free bonuses with my specific link here, or on Bitget $20,000. There you don't need a VPN or anything. If you are in a US restriction, then if you're in a country like this, then you can definitely use Bitget, still get $20,000 with my specific link, guys. Definitely check this out. So then let's go back here to the 4-hourly chart. So you see here already this 4-hourly candle looks, for now, the candle of course has still 2 hours time before it will close to reverse here back to the downside massively. So we have to wait in the next 2.5 hours what's happening here, but we got already a rejection. So, and I believe that this was the last rejection that we got from here, and now we are heading definitely into lower levels. So another reason why I believe that is when we go into the 1-hourly chart, we have here this parallel channel where the Bitcoin price is bouncing up and down, and here also we see now a clear trajectory of the Bitcoin price being held down by this downward sloping resistance line. So since yesterday evening the Bitcoin price was not able to break above that line here, and since then is basically held under it. And I believe the closer we come here to this potential apex from this upward sloping support from the parallel channel and this downward sloping resistance, that the Bitcoin price will see another move to the downside here. Another reason why I believe that is when I look here, the Fibonacci retracement levels. So we see that we had a clear rejection at the 0.618 and the 0.65 of the golden ratio. So when we came down, first we got here supported of it, then we broke down, we came up, retested it, got rejected from there, and then we basically started to go here into this rising parallel channel. So now the next golden ratio, the next bigger retracement level that will act as a magnet for the price, is all the way down at $15,900, $15,860. There is the 1.618 or 1.65, and most of the time we always come down. Doesn't matter if it's a retracement level or an extension level. the price of an asset normally always likes to come all the way down here or all the way up if it's the other way around. So that's what I'm targeting right now with my short position, that we go all the way down here to the 0.618, 0.65. There I'm gonna close it because I have high leverage on it, and then I'm gonna reassess, and maybe I will slowly start to build a long position from these levels. Even if we would go lower, I would just add more to that long position to average down my price. But yeah, that is definitely a level where I'm looking for a next long opportunity for Bitcoin. When we go to the weekly chart, also here, so we have now 10 hours left. So if the price is moving here all the way down to $16,000, that would be a perfect example of an evening star pattern that I'm expecting, and that would of course then yeah, start the bigger reversal here to the downside for Bitcoin, even though we still might have the bullish divergence. Yeah, for now the bullish divergence is still given here, but, and here comes my big but, I would not bet on this, that this will hold, because we can see the RSI is coming down here for another touch to retest this bullish divergence. So, and if we break below this upward sloping support on the RSI, then this divergence is invalidated, and then we are also definitely in here for way lower prices. That's why I'm quite cautious right now, and yeah, really interesting to see how we will close later the weekly candle, if the price will move lower so that we get a perfect textbook candlestick pattern, or if the price will actually reverse back to the upside, so that we have a continuation pattern. But yeah, in the next 10 hours, we will definitely know what's going to happen here. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.